OMG guys, so my fourthie got a VIP, and she got it for a year. I think for a year or something, because she said that it has a VIP ticket. She got a diamond pack. I am so excited, and also she said that she's gonna give me the VIP ticket. I'm seriously like, I can't believe that she's gonna get me the VIP ticket. I'm so happy and excited. And by the way, congratulations to her for getting a VIP. I just got to. Did you get for a year? Okay guys, so she says she claimed it. Yeah, so yeah. I'm so excited! I'm getting a VIP ticket, yay! OMG, 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 she sent a VIP ticket, I am so excited! Okay guys, I'm actually gonna claim it right now. OMG, I'm so... Okay, let's open it. OMG. Oh, I'm now screenshotting it. I'm so excited. OMG, thank you so much. Thank you so much. OMG. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much, you all. Recording. Thank you so much. Ticket. Thank you so much, you all guys. I love you. Thank you so much. OMG. I have to open my piggy bank. Okay, whatever. I actually want to open it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I love you. Thank you guys. I love you guys so much. Like, you mean a lot to me, and I can't believe this. I'm literally crying. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Thank you. I'm legit. I'm crying. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I can't believe this. I got a VIP. Like, I never got a VIP ticket from any of my friends. Thank you so much, you all. I love you guys so much. Especially you, Hope. Go subscribe to her right now. Like, I please, I beg you, OMG. Oh my god, thank you so much. Go and add her right now. She is amazing. She's such a sweet girl. Like, I'm going to pay her back sometimes. Like, oh my god. Oh my. Thank you so much, whoever said congratulations. I love you guys so much. You mean a lot to me. Oh. Gee. And yeah, it is for a week. I am in shock. Thank you so much. I think like I'm gonna cry again. I'm so happy right now, but like I have tears in my eyes actually of happiness. Like, I don't know how to thank you more. It is just amazing to be a VIP again. And look at those star coins and diamonds. OMG. I'm so excited to be VIP again and get like a lot of stuff and everything. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Hope. She's such an amazing 4th-year, like, OMG, she's amazing. By the way, subscribe to her YouTube. This is her YouTube. Please subscribe to her. She deserves it. This is her YouTube. Go subscribe right now. If you have any spare account, subscribe to her right now, please. Thank you so much. OMG. I'm so happy right now. Like, I can't explain how happy I am. Oh my god, thank you. If you're watching this, Hope, thank you so much. Like, I really appreciate you giving me the VIP ticket. I will always remember this. It has been the best day of my life today, seriously. Thank you so much. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Oh my god. Like, I mean it. Thank you so much. Oh my god. OMG. It's for a whole week. Oh my god. I'm so happy. Oh my god. Yay. Like, there's so many hairs that I can buy now. I have 2K star coins and 10 diamonds. 10 diamonds, not like, it is not quite like, you know, a lot, but I still appreciate it so much. I mean it. I seriously mean thank you so much. Like, this never happened to me. Like, nobody gave me a VIP ticket, never on MSP. Like, I'm in shock. Oh my god, this is I love you guys so much, especially you, Hope, because you're the one that gave me the VIP ticket. Thank you so much. I think I'm gonna go shopping, maybe, I don't know, because I haven't had new lips before, actually. I have whenever I was VIP, but that was like 6 weeks ago or something like that. I'm not sure. I think it was like 1 month ago, I think. Yeah, like 1 month ago. These are really expensive. They're 400 star coins, and I don't really want to spend my star coins a lot. Like, she got me VIP, and like, you know. Thanks so much for the VIP ticket. Oh my god. Let me just reload. I'll be back whenever I'm back on the game. Okay, I'm back. Okay. And I just got a notification because I didn't log off on my phone, and she said I'm a great spammer, so I have to go on phone, please. Let's tell Holly. Holly, I got VIP. VIP ticket from my 4th. Okay, thank you so much. I'm so happy. Yay! Woohoo! Let me go on Fame Booster. How do I go? Oh, I forgot how you go on Fame Booster. Yikes! She's jealous. Ooh. Wait, oh. Let's go play booster. Fame. Fame boost. Thank you so much. Aww. That actually means so much to me. Wow, I have so many star coins. I'm so happy. Wow, she's greet spamming me. Thank you so much, but do not greet spam me a lot because I don't want you to spend all your diamonds. OMG, I'm so close to level 15. Only this much fame. I really want to get to level 15, like, so much. Like, yay! Wow, thank you so much. Thank you, Holly, as well for the auto. Thank you. I needed to say like 100 thank yous to her. Like, OMG. Again, OMG. Guys, please go gift her, go auto her, go greet her, go give her another VIP account because she deserves it. Okay, I'm gonna open my piggy bank because I think there's a lot. Ooh, that is a lot of fame. Open. Oh, okay. How? I have so many star coins. Oh my god. I'm crying. Huh? What the hell? OMG. Yikes. There's so many. Oh my god. Holly gave me a gift, so I'm gonna open it. I'm so close to level 15. I'm so close! OMG! I'm so happy. I got to level 15. OMG, I got to level 15. I have so many star coins. Oh my god. I'm so happy. Yay! Hoo. Thank you. Thanks so much. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Okay. More? OMG. OMG. That is so much star coins. OMG. I'm so weird. Aw, thank you so much. It's really cute. So amazing. Wow, this is so pretty. Thank you so much. I love you, everyone. I love you so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Like, you guys mean a lot to me. Well, thank you so much for looking at this video. I really appreciated it. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Leave this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for all the greets, hope, and for the VIP ticket. I'm in shock right now. Thank you so much. Bye guys, I love you, and thank you so much for level 15. Mwah!